So this is the hybrid, the matte coloration on it. Oh, interior, you open it up. Nice. Oh, this is dark green. This is like a dark olive green.
That's weird.
That's kind of weird with the coloration.
That's
interesting. So, white cream to a olive. That is fascinating. So, yeah, so look at this. So, we go from the matte kind of mocha brown color to olive drab green to cream.
That's amazing.
That is odd. Okay. But also, looking at this, you got 1 cup holder, 2 cup holder, 3 cup holder. Ooh, and let's reach over here real quick. Does this open up? Oh, and that's just your little tray back there. So no cup holder back there.
Seat backs, so it's the same.
Oh yeah, same. Yep, same spring loaded. That's pretty cool. That's not bad. So little folders and things like that. That's not too bad.
This is probably
adjustable
as well. Third row is probably decent.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be a lot easier if you can move the seat to get back there, though. Yeah, that's pretty tight. Let's take a look at the front here. It's a pretty cool color. All right, so you got, take a look at the water bottle test. Dedicated cup holder right here. You can kind of use these as water bottle holders if you need to. Yeah, and then you get, yeah. And you got one, which those can hold like some 44 ounces right there. That's pretty big. And then you got these that kind of hold it in. That's nice. Once again, limited on your plugins. You only got USB-Cs, so no options for USBs. Pretty good amount of storage here. You can go underneath, and there's a nice big opening right there to store some stuff. So that's nice. Take a look here. Oh, that's not a bad size glove box. That's pretty good. That's good. But yeah, the olive green interior with the cream to the actual outside color, that is a little bit odd of a choice.
Well, I don't think there's a car in the, other than a Mercedes or an Audi maybe, that even has a green interior.
Yeah, so I mean, it's cool interior, but the color combination is very odd. Yeah. Yeah. Got the hybrid system in there, so all hybrids, orange, engine in black and silver. That is a tight squeeze for everything in there. Wow.
The calligraphy as well, and it has the
yep.
Oh, I missed it. Paddle shifters. These have paddle
shifters. Okay, yeah. Yep, so hybrid system, engine. So
amazing.
Yeah, but it definitely,
there's a lot of room in there.
Yeah. No doubt. Fascinating. And this one's gonna be, oh, they tore off the price. Oh, $51,000. Woo, pricey. Yeah. Take a look over here in the front. Oh yeah, so green olive dash with the cream there. That is fascinating. And once again, I mean, I do like how it's nice and orderly with all this uniform. That is pretty cool. Oh, and nice little silver touch here on the side. That does look kind of nice, having the nice little silver. But it really does make the interior very busy with how many colors are going on with it. It seems to me.
Maybe. If the car itself was green, I think it might work a little bit better.
Oh yeah, I think it would work much better. It just seems, it does seem like it's very busy.
As the,
oh, that's a good question. Yeah, it's got the same thing as the Palisade. Yeah, so the little weird silver knob. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not sure what I think about that.
Yeah. Then you got the silver. It's interesting, all the silver accents, but for the color combo, it seems very busy.
Front and rear was
the wheels are nice though.
All right,
the wheels look good. Yeah, the wheels don't look too bad. Ooh, what do we got? Alright guys, that is it for the content on this video, but we got more coming for the car show as well, so make sure you check out those videos. Either you're going to be in a playlist or on the video somewhere over by Todd's face over there. So anyways, check those videos out, and we'll see you here next time. Bye-bye.